I'm back, and I'm gonna teach you how to have a moving lock screen. You know that wallpaper lock screen? Yeah, you just go on Google. I personally picked this for the FNAF fans. Well, what you gonna do? Just do this, download image. Once after that, you click on the gallery and find this. Click on the three dots, set as wallpaper. When it's done, you're gonna pick lock screen, and there you go. And after that, after you click on the lock screen, there's a button says set as lock screen. You click that, and boom, done. Now you have a moving wallpaper for the lock screen. See you later. Bye.